Did you know that 70,000 years ago, Homo sapiens was an insignificant animal? We were just another ape in the middle of the food chain somewhere in Africa. We weren't the strongest, we were not the fastest, and we certainly were not the only humans on the block. But then something changed. A shift in our brains, a change in how we talked, and suddenly we became masters of this planet. Today, I'm recommending one of the most influential and debated books of the last decade, Sapiens, A Brief History of Humankind, published in 2011 by Yuval Noah Harari, Israeli historian and philosopher. Whether you've seen it on every social media or you're just hearing about it today, this book asks the biggest questions possible. Why did we win the race for evolution? Is money just a collective hallucination? And did the invention of farming, the thing that built our civilization, make our lives better or worse? Now that we've become gods of this planet, do we have any idea what to do with all that power? Harari structures the history of our species around three pivotal moments, the three revolutions. Number one, the cognitive revolution, 70,000 years ago. Harari argues that sapiens aren't dominant because we are smarter or stronger, Neanderthals have bigger brains, but because we can cooperate in large numbers. Number two, the agricultural revolution, 12,000 years ago. Harari claims this to be history's biggest problem. He argues that we didn't domesticate wheat, we domesticated sapiens. From a gene perspective, wheat is one of the most successful plants in history. It went from small wild grass in the Middle East to covering the entire planet. The individual life of a farmer was much worse than that of a hunter-gatherer. Farmers worked long hours, had worse diet, and were more susceptible to disease and exploitation by elites. And number three, the scientific revolution, 500 years ago. Modern science began when humans admitted they didn't know everything. This willingness to admit ignorance gave us the power to conquer and manipulate the world. If Harari is right, we are just a collection of biological algorithms and shared stories. What does that mean for the future in the age of AI? Authorities shift from human intuition to big data. Harari warns that in the 21st century, the struggle will be against irrelevance. As AI becomes better at diagnosing diseases, driving trucks, and writing code, millions of people will become economically useless. If we're just data, what happens when computers find a better way to process it? Thanks for listening. Next time you look at your phone, ask yourself this question. Are you using the algorithm or is the algorithm using you?